Join me to colour in another flower design from my Colouring Botanical Mandalas book. Today I wanted to just focus on a couple of colours, so I am going to colour in this beautiful Dahlia design, and I thought I would do some blending again. So let's pop the protective paper behind the colouring page, and I'm going to use this yellow and pink to colour the whole flower in using the blending technique, which I've done in a couple of videos now, and I'm just loving this technique so much. So as a reminder, the way that I like to blend is I add the darker colour in first and then the lighter colour, but then with the lighter colour on top of the dark, I use a circular motion to blend the two together while the ink is still wet. And you can see it creates such a lovely effect. So each of these petals is completely different. So as you work your way through around the whole of the flower, you can create lots of movement just by doing this simple technique. So it might take a little bit longer than some of the other designs that I have, but it really does relax you and keep the mind lovely and calm. So I've just fast forwarded a little bit because I wanted to keep this video relatively short for you, but you can see how this is developing and how beautiful it really does look. So using my swatch card, I'm picking out a green to use around the edge. And I'm just going to colour this in, and I might add some blue in the back, I'm not sure, but I will show you the finished design in a moment. So I added a turquoise blue and some gold for some sparkle. I love how it turned out, so let me know what you think in the comments.